Hello, everyone. It's Reb again. If things look similar to the way the last video ended, that is because I literally just finished it, and I just decided to go ahead and finish the head, um, and do another video. So, in the last video, we got to this point, and I'm working on the what now is going to be the bottom half of that. And I just realized I shouldn't have started the video because yeah, I'm just gonna go with it. Um, I'm at 160. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So this next step, part of this next step, um, I actually had to wait for pieces to come, which I could easily make the excuse that that's the reason why I couldn't do it when I did it. But but I got the pieces and I didn't have to wait for. I mean, I had to wait for them, but you know, yeah, yeah. I'm tired. But you're probably asking why. If you're tired, then why did you start another video? Uh, I never said that I make sense. The ironic thing is the pieces that I had to order, I would have made certain steps earlier on easier, but I was trying to work around not having to do that annoying stuff. But I digress. There's a step. Um, and then, um, I'm working on, let's see, put this piece right here and attach this piece right here. And then this piece goes on top of it. And then I attach these two little, what are actually teeth, not claws. They're claws in some cases. For the most part, I'm actually not having as many problems building the head as I did with the other pieces, but I think it's also because it's a smaller piece. No, don't fall apart on me. Oh no. They're wiggling. That's usually not a good sign. Hopefully, when I start attaching other pieces, it will help solidify that. Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't like this one. I don't like when there's pieces I have to line up a certain way that I can't just attach them. That I have to do it this way so I can figure out what goes where. And my pieces are kind of messed up. Let's see. Okay, the bottom. So that goes like that. And I have this right here. And then I take a small one. Where is it? There it is. And just throw it at a thing because that makes sense. Okay, that's lined up like that. Okay, and then I take this. This attaches to the bottom. Did I do that right? Yeah. And then I take this piece, attach it to that. Then 4 pieces. Not one piece, but 4 pieces. Touch that. Okay. Then for this next step, I'll just go from the bottom up to, let's see. Okay. Oh. It's like, what the heck is that? I don't need one of those. That's weird. I have a piece that's a gun, but it's see where that looks like it's only well, it's on one. Oh, it's on both sides. Which is, I think that might be a piece that I'm missing that I have to search for. And that's not right. Or is that right? Is there supposed to be a? I think I did something wrong. Uh, let's see. It's hard to tell if there's supposed to be a gap in this or not. No, it's not. I mean, there is. Okay. I'm good. Okay, next, I'll put that there. Then little triangle piece goes there. And I take this little doohickey smooth piece, attach that, and another little doohickey piece put there. Now it's time to put the 3 little teeth on this thing. Let's see, how am I supposed to attach? Are they supposed to be? Which way are they supposed to? Okay, that's right. One of these days, what I want to invest in, which will probably be a while, is a camera that would allow some way to, so you can actually see me. It's hard to, sometimes it's hard to put certain pieces on, and I kind of have to feel like more stability would bring it to my body, which sounds weird saying it like that. Okay, let's see. And I attach it so that lines up there. Now we have the start of the bottom half. Put that over to the side. And I'm obviously working on the next half, which, okay. Let's see. And I'm basically building the same thing, but the other way. So let's see, so I take there, and this little doohickey, and I'm missing, that's the next step. I have all the pieces I need for this step, but the next step I have to get them. Which I may just take this time, because it's, wait a minute, did something wrong. That won't attach to there. I did something wrong. Oh, I see. It's not going to attach her because it's not supposed to. Okay, let's see. This goes next. And attach little thing. here. Make sure I'm attaching it right. Yep. Okay, let's see if I got this thing. Oh, come on. And I know it's falling apart on me, which is why I said once I get the next pieces with it, it shouldn't do that. Which I'm going to mute while I go get the other pieces. And I just realized I had other pieces right there, but I might still have to mute at some point to go get the other pieces that I think I'm missing from this. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna build the thing as I get the pieces out. So the first piece I'm looking for is, I may end up just tagging this and it would just be, 3 videos. Okay, let's see. Have this done right. Okay, let's see, 167. Got that facing the right way. So this goes here. Then next piece is a little flat doohickey. Yeah, I'm definitely going to, I may end up tagging this to the back end of the thing just because it's, you can feel the frustration rising in me, which means I need to finish up. Okay, let's see, where is it? Where is it? Okay, and then that piece goes right there. Then I need that. Did I get the right crud? I don't think I have the right. Did I put the right piece on the other one? Wait a minute. Let me. No, that's the right piece. Did I grab the? And there's the first mistake. I have the wrong piece. Going to mute while I get. And I got the right piece now. And it goes, attaches next to that. And I take this piece, attach it right there. And I take the little piece that's basically a little gun. Strange. And I attach it by the thing that's, okay, let me see if I can do this right. I go like that. And so that attaches onto there. And then I put the had some. They're probably not extra. They're not extra pieces, but they're pieces that I don't need to finish this out. Okay, let's see. That goes there. Okay. May end up just doing one long series of videos just so this all is one thing, because I just realized I didn't take pictures where I needed to. So there we have that part, and they attach. What do they attach? Oh. Huh. I'm just going to attempt to attach. How is that? Huh. Okay, let's see that. Like that. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I went to attach it, and the pieces that it's supposed to attach to fell apart. Fell off. Ow. See. Oh. Oh, this thing is falling apart on me. Okay. I'm not going to put this up together on video because I am getting frustrated, and I don't need to be frustrated. That's the last thing that I need right now. Let me just... The problem is it requires a little bit of force to attach these pieces, but attaching Well, I'm trying to put together and that's what happened when I tried to put it together. I'm done for tonight.